permissions in WorshipKit. I talked more generally about the different permissions levels and how you can create custom ones. I want to highlight some details about how this applies to Pager. In Pager, the pre-selected permissions levels that we give you are ones that we've worked with for a while related to Pager. Receivers are the lowest levels. They can receive pages, but they can't do much else, and they can check out equipment in the equipment tab. In the sender level, they can send and receive pages. A leader can edit users, edit permissions, and more. An admin can control other aspects of the account or create lists. They can edit permissions and users, and they can create other aspects in the account. And an owner has unbridled access. They can completely modify aspects of the account, create ministries, and change anything that applies to billing. So these are important different levels, and you can create your own custom levels that will also work in Pager. The important aspects to show in Pager would be if you're going to give volunteers access on their phones or devices to send messages, you can control this on a ministry level and change their access or set them to a completely powerless account for one campus or the other, depending on where they volunteer. So for instance, this Knoxville volunteer can be a receiver for Parkway, but they don't need to be able to send. So I should set it to that level for that Knoxville volunteer. And click Save. And now, if that Knoxville volunteer logs in, they will only see the Knoxville campus and they will not be able to send to the Parkway campus. And so that'll be important to note. And then for an admin account, they can control any aspect of any campus that they have purview over. So for instance, this administrator we could set them to just a receiver because they only work at the Knoxville campus. They don't affect the Parkway campus. And so those are aspects of permissions to take note of. And then again, just like in the other permissions video, we go over details of how you can edit permissions. I recommend taking a look at that and see how that could help you in controlling who has access to send or receive at what campus.